could not let this day pass by without taking a moment to express our gratitude that we have for you, our clients, our soon-to-be clients, our friends, family, everyone who has supported our real estate journey along the way. We love being your real estate consultant, and what we love even more is the people that we meet along the way, the journeys that we're allowed to experience with people just like you. So right now, on this Thanksgiving Day, please hear my heart of gratitude and the Walton Home Team's sincerest thanks and warmest regard for you. Being allowed to be in your life and your goals makes every day an absolute joy. Happy Thanksgiving.